So from here, we can see all of our properties that we're looking at. If we wanted a different view, we can click the properties button here, and this will take us to a list of all of the properties. This is the only place this button is currently located. So the only way to get to that properties page is by clicking on this button right now. If we scroll down a little bit, we will see this new box, which is the daily deal analysis goals. So we are setting up some ways for users to track their habits. And that's all kind of done through this view goals setup. There may be another button if you're brand new or logging in for the first time, which will help kind of walk you through, but basically it's going to pull this up. We can see what your interests are. And then we can see your daily goals. So this is that number there. How many deals do you want to analyze a day? And then what is your financial goals? So financial freedom goal, how much money do you need to be earning each month to be financially free? And what would you like to earn through your earned annual income goals? So this would be through flipping or wholesaling deals. This isn't passive income like it would be from a rental property, but things that you actually have to work for. So you can set up some goals, and we're going to start tracking some of those metrics. And then we scroll down and we can see the most upcoming tasks that we need to complete and which property they are for. So replace the air filter at Oak Street Rental. And when do I need to do that? Well, that probably passed just a little bit, so let's go ahead and check that off. And then, of course, we can view the receipts if we are a bookkeeping client, or if we have that ability on our plan. All right, let's go ahead and just take a quick look at the properties page. This hasn't changed at all. Still the same page, just a better view of going through all of our different properties.